Howdy y'all, it's Graham Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're at the Presidium Valley View in Dallas, Texas, or actually also in Farmers Branch, Texas. And what we're going to do today is we're giving a best tour ever of the Presidium Valley View. Hey, we want to talk a little bit about right now about the area this is in. Well, okay, I'll tell you right off, it's a super quiet area. It's really close to 635. 635 is just right over there. So 635 is an east-west loop that goes all through Dallas. It goes up and down throughout Dallas. So it's got quick access to get you to the airport, to get you to the North Dallas Tollway, to get you to Addison, Plano, Dallas, Uptown. So it's a good in-between location that's perfect really for, going to almost anywhere in Dallas quickly. This area itself is beautiful. This is a gorgeous area. This is park area that's over here. This is an office building that's over here, and so it's a super quiet area. Saltcraft Steakhouse is over here, so you could walk to that. And then there's stuff quickly to get to. I see a Wendy's that's over there. So there's plenty of things either to walk to or to quickly get to from here. If you want to get to things like nightlife and stuff like that, Addison is super close by. That's like 7 or 8 minutes away. Just going up north on the tollway, maybe 7 to 10 minutes. And then, of course, Uptown is about 15 to 20 minutes away south. So you've got options there, too. So it's a great area. It's a great in-between area, I guess is my point, where you can quickly get to a lot of things. We'll do another walkthrough, and we'll actually be hopefully upstairs so you can see a little bit more, from a higher vantage point. But it really is a good kind of middle area to be in to enjoy Dallas. Okay, so now we're going to look at the parking situation really briefly at the Presidium. If you have questions anytime about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just say hi, and we'll go from there.